Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see in GBP USD pair, we can see a negative move of 0.06% and 1.33721 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So first let's open our weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a small body and a big upper and lower wick, which is type of a doji candle. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 51 to 69 level, which is also indicating as a slight indecisive or a sideways momentum for coming week. Overall, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So let's not waste our time and let's go straight to a one-day chart and mark some important support and resistance zone. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you see, we have already marked some important support and resistance zone during our previous week analysis. So currently, we don't need to mark any important levels. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any such videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, let's talk about the closing. Here, the closing is around 1.33721. Here, the direct support is 1.33560 and direct resistance is 1.33805. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33394 and then 1.33155. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34057 and then 1.34312. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any such videos. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared platform links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. If you don't know what is funded account or platform, I have already made a dedicated video on what is platform, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move or a negative move in this range. Overall, here, due to the momentum is sideways for this week, I'm expecting a slight negative momentum in this range, that is 1.33394 to 1.33560. But here I already open to any move currently. But overall, according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. But if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade, or I will go for a long trade once 1.33805 gets breached and a 4-hour 1-day candle gets closed above this, and I will go for a long till 1.34057. So I will wait for the momentum and then grab that momentum. Once the important levels that I have marked gets breached, I will go for a long or a short. Overall, if I talk about directly according to previous week closing, then I'm expecting a negative closing in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.